Yo, man, they didn't know I want to reach Papi. Dog, remember say man, he get charged for coke, you know, brother. Remember say dog, he get charged for coke. I think I know one of them country there in the Caribbean, dog, get charged for coke. So marijuana, you understand, couple years ago. I think I went in with a father at them time there, you know, dog. You see it, him get charged for coke and marijuana. Enough people don't know that all now, you know, dog, but remember it, brother. So I to come back for bite him, you know, you see it, dog, yeah, man. I to come back for bite him, you know. But enough people don't know that. Well, them are gonna know now because the news media them find out about it, you see it. Watch what go on.
What's up, people? What's up, viewers? My name is Yochain and this is the YIP Verified YouTube channel. It is very important for you to like and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. Now, what wanna say I go on with Popcaan? Hey, you know them people they go like them innocent and dead. Thing just catch up on them. I want them think they are reach Popcaan. Now, people, viewers, information a jump out. Official information, confirmed information a jump out and say, yo, Popcaan was convicted of marijuana possession and also him get charged for cocaine. Yeah, coke. And it is now understand that that are the reason why he's being stopped in the UK, you understand? That's the reason why he's being stopped and he's being the deep search or scan, whatever you want to call it. Unlike the regular people ever just walk through this and that and gone with them luggage, them can stop him and carry him in a room and the whole heap of checking and also question him according to the article. And I said this before in my previous video, them have the right to stop you and question you. Them have the right because we sign up for that when we are going to go through them port. Them are going to ask you some little question. But pre these people, viewers, I'm going to jump into the article for the people who still don't understand what I say. I'm going to read the article now and I'm going to get a better understanding of what really is going on. You understand? Remember, it is very important for you to like and subscribe. Like the video and subscribe. An international criminal police organization, Interpol, green notice alerting authorities to a drug-related conviction may have led to the immigration issues faced by Jamaican dancehall artist Popcaan in the United Kingdom on Tuesday. A green notice, according to the global body, is issued to member countries to provide warning about persons' criminal activities where the person is considered to be a possible threat to public safety. Attorney at law Bert Samuels has asserted that for some time now his client Popcaan has been the subject of questioning by immigration personnel in the UK to what he says is a red alert placed against his name by the Jamaican government. Well, it now turns out that it's not the Jamaican government, but let me continue with the article. The Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF says it has not issued a stop order for the artist, echoing a statement issued earlier from the Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade Kamina Johnson-Smith that said the government had nothing to do with the artist's stop and check at the London airport. She said Popcaan has been released. But the police disclosed that Interpol issued the green notice on the entertainer in 2015. It was reconfirmed in 2018. Popcaan, whose birth name is Andre Sutherland, was convicted in 2009 in Barbados for possession of marijuana and subsequently deported to Jamaica. He was again arrested in Barbados in 2011 for possession of cocaine, the JCF said in a statement Wednesday. Arising from those arrests and other intelligence gathered, a green notice was generated, it says. The JCF says a notice does not request any specific law enforcement action be taken against the subject, Popcaan. It merely acts as an advisory to local law enforcement that the subject, Popcaan, of the notice has been in contact with the law elsewhere. It is also added that travelers, Popcaan, may be subjected to secondary security screening at international airports for a variety of reasons, and those reasons fall completely within the purview of the local authorities in those respective jurisdictions. So yeah, people, viewers, there you have it. Popcaan lawyer Bert Samuels did believe say, yo, a Jamaica issued the red flag from Popcaan name, but it turned out that it wasn't a red flag. It was a green alert, and a Jamaica issue it. It was the Barbados. You understand, the Barbadian government. Because Popcaan was charged with possession of marijuana and possession of cocaine in 2009 and 2011 respectively, and enough people never know that. And he was even deported back to Jamaica and was allowed 2 years later to go back to Barbados and go eventually get charged for cocaine. But I don't know how people get deported for marijuana unless you did have a trailer load of marijuana in possession. But my interpretation of the article say nothing like that. Probably it was just a handful of marijuana. Because if a whole heap of marijuana, you would get charged for drug trafficking, you understand? But for who not understand, let me give you an example. Say a weed smoker and police catch you with a handful of weed and them charge you for that, possession of marijuana. But if them did catch you with like say 2 buckets of weed, probably them are charge you for drug trafficking, you understand? Because of the amount of weed. A handful of weed that suggest say I just smoke it or smoke it. You understand? Then I distribute it for go sell it and them something there. But if you get catch with a bucket of weed, you smoke a bucket of weed? No, you traffic it, you understand? You sell it, you distribute it, so that is a bigger charge than if you get charged for your local portion. At the same weed, you know, but the amount make a difference. Now pertaining to the cocaine, I don't know how the cocaine part go. I don't know if I get catch one little piece, or if I get catch the whole heap, what the difference. But them say him get arrested for cocaine, you understand? Now other article say him get arrested for and charged for marijuana and cocaine, and he was deported for the marijuana in 2009. But people, viewers, that's all. The comment section is there if you have something to say. Leave a comment in the comment section. And remember, it is very, very important for you to like and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. My name is Chain, and this is the YIP Verified YouTube channel. Like and subscribe. Big up on yourself.